I'm Miranda from Live Free Miranda, and today I'm going to walk you through the basic steps to prepare your deck for staining. Now, having a nice stain on your deck can make it more weatherproof and durable so that it lasts a really long time, and one of the most important pieces of staining is the preparation. So I'm going to walk you through those simple steps today.
The first thing you're going to want to do is gather your tools and materials.
Once you've gathered all of your supplies, you're ready to get started. The very first step is to check the weather. Because of the whole process of staining and preparing the deck for staining, you want to make sure you have at least 24 hours of sunny, dry weather. Next, you want to move all of your furniture, potted plants, barbecue, whatever you have on your deck, remove it right now so that you have a chance to do a great inspection of the deck itself. During the inspection, make sure that you're checking for loose boards. Check all of the flashing and the joists underneath the deck to check for water damage and make sure that the wood is in great condition. If you notice any boards that need to be replaced, make note of that and replace them before you move on with your staining project. If the deck you're working on is already stained, you want to do a quick check to make sure you know whether it's an oil-based or water-based stain. Just use a tiny bit of rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab and rub it across. If the stain starts to come up, that indicates that it's water-based. If your deck isn't stained, if it's new, or if it's just unstained like mine here, then you don't have to worry about this step.
Move on to clearing and sweeping the deck.
Just simply take a broom and sweep the whole thing off. Remove any debris or leaves that may be caught in between the boards. And then you want to give it a good washing. This is when you use your deck cleaner. You can pour it into a bucket, put it on with a roller or a rag. You just want to get it on there across all of the boards and then leave it for 15 minutes. At that point, it's ready to scrub clean with a brush and rinse off either with a hose or with your pressure washer. As soon as your deck is completely clean, it's time to just let it dry. You want those boards to be thoroughly dry when you apply your stain. You'll also want to notice if there's any especially dirty areas that didn't come off with your cleaner. You can go over those with a sander to make sure the boards are fully prepped and ready for your stain. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you're able to prepare your deck so that it will absorb a beautiful stain.